G'day, it's Natalie Hoy and behind me is 163A Shaftesbury Avenue in Bedford. This is a massive executive residence, 5x3, 3 living areas, 450 square metres of build area, I know, all sitting on a massive 492 square metre survey strata lot. Look, this is a fabulous home for larger families or multi-generational families because it's got not just the upstairs main bedroom, which you can see the beautiful balcony behind me, but also a downstairs main bedroom option too, plus pool, plus al fresco. What more could you want? Let's go inside and take a look. What you're going to hear me talk about a lot with this home is the magnificent proportions. This just has huge spaces. This is the entry. You've got great double doors that we just came through. It is extra wide. There is just quality throughout this home. So you've got these magnificent Italian porcelain tiles, you've got the beautiful hardwood staircase, gorgeous overheight ceilings through here. You've got double garage off to the side with additional storage. Again, the overheight door. There has been no scrimping with the completion of this home. There's a roller door there that goes out to the side of the property as well. So on this level, we've got a bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, we've got theatre, we've got rear open plan kitchen, living, dining, and then we've got more bedrooms and living spaces upstairs as well. So here is your downstairs alternate main. The one upstairs is even bigger and fancier, but this is a great size. You can see there is a massive bed frame in here. Beautiful window treatments in this home. So you've got that shadow detail, so they sit up behind. It is just gorgeous. You can see the full length, so you've got the shears and you've got the other curtains as well. Ensuite bathroom for this bedroom, beautiful floor to ceiling, rectified tiling, granite bench tops. Every wet area has granite bench tops, all the bathrooms and the kitchen. You've got all of that beautiful underbench storage, great tapware, beautiful shower with that lovely massive shower head. There is also a loo tucked behind that door, and you've got a very large built-in robe for down in this space as well. You will not be complaining about storage, that's for sure. So we'll keep going, and around this point here is the powder room. So you've got a downstairs powder. Again, that's got granite bench tops too. You've got doors outside. It's a very large house, but it's been very thoughtfully designed with lots of exits and entries to make it easy to get outside and make it accessible. You've got cupboard under the stairs, which is why I'm just panning through to there. You've got home theatre room. Again, you've got the double doors, which make it a really lovely private space. You've got the feature recessed ceiling. There is ducted reverse cycle aircon throughout this whole home. Massive space in here. I'll probably overuse the word massive. Recess there for the TV. And I really like that it is separate and tucked away from the rest of the living spaces as well. So it's a true private home theatre room. You've got laundry, and look, granite bench tops in the laundry. You don't see that every day. And of course the external access as well. We come through to the back of the home and we have this beautiful open plan kitchen, dining, living space, and you'll notice a set of stairs there. That is a second entry upstairs. So you've got two ways to get upstairs, at the back of the house and also at the front of the house. So it makes it really convenient. It is a very large home with lots of space, so it makes a lot of sense to have those 2 points to get up and down the home. But I'm just going to come back to give you a sense of this beautiful kitchen. I mean, look at that glorious island bench with the granite bench tops. You've got the granite bench top at the back with the granite splashback, and also with that really little pretty feature window. You've got all of these gorgeous overhead cupboards which are right up to the feature bulkhead. I mean, there is no faulting the quality of finish in this home. Beautiful wide fridge recess, and you've got a walk-in pantry next to it, built-in microwave, obviously gas hob and wide oven, dishwasher. Look at all this fantastic storage. It is just a glorious space. I'll just show you the dining room from this angle as well. Again, the feature bulkhead with the reverse cycle aircon. Great family room here. Really nice, attractive space. You've got the stairs upstairs, obviously, but you've also got access to the rear alfresco. So you've got a lovely undercover cedar-lined alfresco entertaining space, and of course that's a poured aggregate floor. All the front drive was poured aggregate as well. And then you've got this beautiful deck area. Now, whilst it is a massive house and a good size, great size, 492 square metre survey strata lot, one of the things that typifies this home is that it is very low maintenance. So you can see that great pool, you can see the deck area all the way around it, that bit of green. I know it looks very flush, but it is all fake, which is even better because that's even less to look after. You've got just a beautiful sunning space, great pool area, quality frameless glass pool fence. I'm just going to show you down the side of the home as well. You can just see how neat and tidy and immaculate the spaces are. You've got little hanging down there for your washing as well. You can see all the external render. I think it is time to take a look upstairs. So we'll head upstairs, but I just want to show you this beautiful glass balustrading, and of course we've got the gorgeous solid timber floors. So the quality of finishes in this home is just extraordinary. We've got minor bedrooms through here and another living area with further kitchen at the rear. But I'll start with the fantastic main bedroom. There is a very conveniently located study nook up here as well if you need some space away to get things done. Now there are his and her robes. We'll start with those. So we've got walk-in robe here, and there's also built-in robes as well. So plenty of robe and cupboard space. I'll just sort of swing around. You can see that I've got the doors to the balcony open. That's a really big space. You know, this is a king-size bed. It is massive. It is just a fantastic room. Again, these beautiful feature recessed ceilings with the detailing, with the curtains sitting behind. I mean, the curtains stretch the whole wall. There was absolutely no scrimping in the finishes of this home. You've got a lovely little retreat space here as well, which is very handy. Let's pop out to the balcony. This is a very generous size, no little tiny Juliet balconies here. Again, you've got all the cedar lining, great space, beautiful glass balustrading, and just a really lovely outlook across the street. So we'll just come back in. Hello, so you can see there's more robe space there. I'll just pan around this way so you can see living area. And again, main bed, and it's through to the ensuite bathroom. And this is just stunning. I mean, it's really resort style, or luxury hotel style ensuite bathroom. You've got the separate toilet. Again, there's all of these beautiful floor to ceiling rectified Italian porcelain tiles. It is just gorgeous. You've got the bath, very generous sized bath. You've got shower, massive shower, and of course double vanities. I mean, what more would you expect? Great vanity space, plenty of room for all your bits and bobs. Nice big mirror. This is stunning. We'll go now and have a look at the 3 other bedrooms that are located here upstairs. These are all fantastically proportioned. We'll pop into the first bedroom. You can see great size double bed, bedsides, and floor to ceiling built-in robes, and plenty of space for drawers or occasional chair. Really good size. You can see the very sort of crisp finishes. It's all very neutral. Another toilet, and then we've got the family bathroom. So again, this continuity of these beautiful rectified tiles, great family bath, and again, another beautiful vanity, granite bench tops, big mirror, gorgeous tapware. It is just lovely. So we pop into another bedroom. Again, look, another huge space, big double bed, bedsides either side, still plenty of space on from that. And this one has got the triple floor to ceiling mirrored robes. And last but not least, again, another double-sized bedroom. I'll just swing around, and again, a whole wall of built-in robes. Storage, storage, and more storage. You are going to love it. So much space. And last but not least is this bonus additional living area. Now this has been designed to have a really kind of, interesting indoor-outdoor feel. It's got these beautiful vaulted cedar-lined ceilings, and they have put a kitchen here. Now the whole idea is it can be its own entertaining space. So that is a commercial range hood. So you might go, oh my God, barbecue inside, but that is a commercial range hood that sits above it. So it absolutely handles the space. You've got, the fridges underneath the granite bench tops. You've got a sink. This is kind of like the ultimate entertainment party space. It's just adds a different dimension and option to the home, and it's something that is so unique and very difficult to find. And we talked about the 2 sets of stairs. Well, that is the entry to the stairwell, which goes down to the back of the house and straight out to the alfresco. How great is that? So there you have it. It doesn't get much bigger or luxurious than this fantastic home. Location wise, Bedford is becoming so popular. You're about 7 k's from the city. You've got fabulous proximity to Inglewood and its wonderful social precinct, to Beaufort Street, to Walter Road, to Grand Prom, to parks, to quality schools. Those of you who know this pocket will know that it's a very short walk across to Chisholm College or across to St Peter's Primary School. Very sought after, very low density, fabulous family friendly location. It's got it all. Call me now, 0405 812 273, or see you at the home open. Have a great day.